What if some legends aren't just stories? What if those whispers of strange creatures lurking in the shadows are actually real? All over the world, people have reported seeing things they can't explain, creatures caught in a fleeting glance, a blurry photo, or a shaky video, but never fully understood. Are you ready to dive into the world of the unknown? First up, the icon of North American folklore, Bigfoot. Also known as Sasquatch, this giant, hairy ape-like creature is said to wander the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest. For decades, witnesses have described a towering figure walking on two legs, leaving behind massive footprints as the only clue. We have grainy photos, strange audio recordings of howls echoing through the woods, and countless eyewitness accounts. But despite all the expeditions and investigations, no one has ever brought back definitive proof. Is Bigfoot an undiscovered primate, or just a very elaborate and long-running hoax? The debate rages on. Next, we travel to the misty highlands of Scotland, to the deep, dark waters of Loch Ness. For centuries, tales have been told of a mysterious creature living within the lake. They call her Nessie. Descriptions often paint a picture of a long-necked animal, sometimes with humps, gliding through the water. The most famous photo, the surgeon's photograph from 1934, turned out to be a fake, but that didn't stop the legend. People continue to report sightings, and sonar readings have picked up strange, large, moving objects beneath the surface. Scientists suggest it could be giant eels, floating logs, or just tricks of the light, but the legend of Nessie endures, captivating millions. Now, for something a bit more chilling. In the 1960s, the small town of Point Pleasant, West Virginia, was gripped by fear. Over a dozen people reported seeing a terrifying winged creature with glowing red eyes. They called it the Mothman. What makes this story so eerie is that the sightings were often linked to impending disasters. The Mothman was reportedly seen near the Silver Bridge just before its tragic collapse in 1967, which claimed 46 lives. Was it a harbinger of doom, a supernatural being, or simply a large misidentified bird like a sandhill crane? Whatever it was, the Mothman left a dark and unforgettable mark on the town. Heading south to Latin America, we encounter the legend of the Chupacabra, which translates to ghost sucker. This creature is infamous for its alleged attacks on livestock, particularly goats, leaving them mysteriously drained of blood with strange puncture wounds. Descriptions of the Chupacabra vary wildly. Some say it's a scaly reptile-like creature with spikes down its back, while others describe it as a strange, hairless dog-like animal. Biologists have often identified the carcasses of supposed Chupacabras as coyotes or dogs with severe mange. But this explanation doesn't account for all the bizarre stories and the strange way the livestock is said to be killed. Finally, let's plunge into the ocean's depths. Ancient sailors told terrifying tales of the Kraken, a colossal sea monster capable of dragging entire ships to the bottom of the sea. For a long time, these were dismissed as mere fishermen's tales. But then, science made a shocking discovery: the giant squid. These elusive creatures can grow to incredible lengths, with eyes the size of dinner plates. In 2004, one was finally filmed alive in its deep-sea habitat, proving that a monster from myth was very, very real. It makes you wonder what other monsters from old legends might actually be waiting to be discovered in the unexplored abyss. From Bigfoot in the forest to the Kraken in the sea, these mysteries blur the line between myth and reality. Are they just tall tales, cases of mistaken identity, or are there truly undiscovered species hiding just beyond our sight? They remind us that our world is still full of secrets and wonders yet to be uncovered. So, which of these creatures do you think could be real? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you love exploring the unknown, make sure to like and subscribe for more adventures.